My video guide is about removing the online scam that claims to be Windows Support Alert. But this is a fake alert that comes from the random website. It also speaks of itself as some Windows Firewall Protection Alert, and it quotes this telephone number +1 844 530 0417. But this telephone number is a fake Windows support number. The real purpose of these pop-ups is to deceive customers and to trick them into calling this fake telephone number. If people call it, they may be then forced to download and install some potentially unwanted software, or some online criminals might try to connect to your computer remotely in order to infect it even more dramatically. So if you see these pop-ups, do not trust them and disregard their content. They are totally fake and faulty. What we recommend you to do is to carefully check the control panel of your computer and uninstall any programs that are suspicious. If you find them, get rid of them. We also recommend you to scan your device with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.